Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my videos, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In this video, I want to discuss one of the GATE question which came in the year 2019. First, let me read out the question, then we will solve it. Consider three missions M, N, P with IP addresses as 100.10.5.2, 100.10.5.5 and 100.10.5.6 respectively. So M's IP address is this one, N's IP address is this one, and P's IP address is this one. The subnet mask is set to 255 dot. I hope it is visible. Dots are visible to you. Anyway, let me write it. 255 dot, 255 dot, 255 dot, 252 for all the three missions. Which one of the following is true? They have given four options. Option A they have given as M, N, P all are belong to same subnet. M and N belongs to same subnet. M, N, P belongs to different subnet. N and P belongs to same subnet. Now we need to check which is the right answer. As they are talking about the subnets and they have given the subnet mask and they have given the IP address, what we should do? We have to take the IP address. Let's consider the M's IP address. M's IP address is mentioned as 100.10.5.2. Now what is the subnet mask? 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 252. This is the subnet mask. Now what you should do? You have to perform the bitwise AND and you will get the subnet ID. So you will find the subnet ID of M, subnet ID of N, subnet ID of P. Then we will verify if all are equal, then I will say option A is correct. If all are different, then I will say the option C is correct. If M and N are same, P is different, then I will select the option B. If N and P are same, then I will say the option D is correct. So what we have to do, we have to take the IP address of the mission and the subnet mask. We have to perform the bitwise AND. Now how to represent 100? Okay, in 8 bits, because 255 if I represent in the binary number of 8 bits, you already know that we will get 8 ones. How many ones I kept? 7 ones. So totally you will get 8 ones if you convert this 255 decimal number to binary number and represent in 8 bits, because these are the IP addresses. So totally you will have 32-bit numbers and each octet consists of 8 bits. Okay, so that's why it is represented as dotted decimal representation. Okay, now if you take 100 how I can write? 128 I should not write. Am I right? Because 128 is more than 100. 64 I should write. 64 plus 32 will be how much? 96, and then 4 is 100. If you want to verify, you can verify. How I got? This bit number is 2 power 08. This is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. So 1 into 2 power 6 plus 1 into 2 power 5 plus 0 into 2 power 4, 0 into 2 power 3, 1 into 2 power 2, which is equal to 64 plus 32, which will be 96 plus 4 is 100. Okay, with practice you can also directly write with me as the same way how I am doing it. Instead of taking the 100 as a decimal number and divide by 2 and convert into binary number, it will take more time. So you can do like this also. Now what is bitwise AND? If both the inputs are 1, then only you will get the output as 1. Otherwise you will get 0. Otherwise means if one input is 0 and other input is 1, you will get 0. If both the inputs are 0, you will get the output also 0. So if both the inputs are 1, then only you will get the output as 1. So if you take this one, 1 and 0, you will get 0. 1 and 1, you will get 1. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So what I got? Again, if I do it, what I will get if I convert into decimal number, this is 64 plus 32 plus 4. I will get 100. So what I want to say is that if you perform bitwise AND with 255 with anything, you will get the anything only. So in this case, 100 only. Okay, is it clear? 100 dot. Now again, can you tell me, with this explanation, can you tell me 255 and 10, if I do the bitwise and what I will get? 10 only. 255 and 5, 5 only. Now 252 and 2 we need to perform the bitwise AND. So what I will do, I will convert this both the decimals into binary number. Okay. Now 2 is what? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Am I right or wrong? So you convert into binary number with 8 bits, you will get 6 zeros, 1 0. 252 is how much? 253, not 250, 255 minus 252, what you will get? 3. Am I right? So I have to subtract 3 minus 255. So where I will get 3? This is 3. 1, 1 is 3. So I will keep zeros here, and remaining all places I'll keep ones. If you convert into decimal number, you will get 252. You can verify it also. 6 ones double 0 is 252. So you perform the bitwise AND. What you will get? 0 and 1 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Everything you got 0. So subnet ID, you got it for M as 100 dot, right here, 100 dot 10 dot 5 dot 0. Meaning is that this mission M belongs to the subnet whose subnet ID is 100 dot 10 dot 5 dot 0. Similarly, we will do for the mission N. The same process we have to do. Mission N IP address is what? 100 dot 10 dot 5 dot 5. What is the subnet mask? Same. 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 252. Okay. If I perform bitwise AND, I will get 100 dot 10 dot 5 dot 252. I can write it as 6 ones double 0. Just now I have discussed how to write it. And 5 I can write it as 101 5 zeros. This is the binary representation of decimal number 5 in 8 bits. If you want to verify, you can verify also. Now perform the bitwise AND. You will get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is what? If you convert into decimal number, this is equal to 4. So N is belongs to a mission whose subnet ID is 100 dot 10 dot 5 dot 4. Okay. Now we will check about the mission P. P is having the IP address as 100 dot 10 dot 5 dot 6, and subnet mask they have given as 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 252. Okay. Now if you perform the bitwise AND, you will get 100 dot 10 dot 5 dot, we will have to perform the bitwise AND with the 252 and 6. So what I have to do? First I need to convert them into binary numbers. 1, 1, 1, 1, 6 ones, and double 0 is 252. And 6 is this one. If you want to verify, you can verify it also. 110 is 6. Okay. And you have to keep it in 8 bits numbers. So you kept 5 zeros in front. Now if you perform the bitwise AND, I will get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So P's IP address also you got 10.100.10.5.4. So mission P also belongs to a subnet whose subnet ID is 100.10.5.4. Now you verify whose subnet mask is with whom is correct or wrong. Now what it is saying, M and N and P all are belongs to same subnet. But however, M is belongs to a subnet whose subnet ID is 100.10.5.0, whereas N is .4. So they are not same. So M and N are does not belongs to same subnet. Even N and P are belongs to same. But what it is saying, option A, M, N, P all are belongs to same, but it is different. So option A is not correct. So you can eliminate the option A. Now what is the option B is saying? M and N are belongs to same subnet. No, it is wrong. So option B is also not correct because they are belongs to different. M, N, P belongs to different subnet. M and N I will accept because they belongs to different subnet because their subnet IDs we got different. But N and P are same. Will you accept it or not? Because both are 100.10.5.4 value only we got. So even option C is not correct. So we have left the option D. N and P belongs to same subnet. Yes, N and P belongs to same subnet because both their values are same. So I can say the option D is the correct answer for this question. Is it clear? If you still have any doubts how I solved it, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.